The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is rumored to be unveiled on January 22nd at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event. While leaked images haven't shown any major design changes from the Galaxy S24, all eyes are now on the hardware upgrades that might grab our attention. And it looks like Samsung's got something interesting up its sleeve. New leaks suggest that Samsung could be ditching the old 8GB RAM and 128GB storage setup for the upcoming S25 series. A few weeks ago, we saw a version of the base Galaxy S25 with 12GB of RAM, and now it looks like that could be the standard for all S25 models worldwide. According to a source, the Galaxy S25 will come with 12GB of RAM as the new base configuration. Gone will be the days of the 8GB variant. Now, 12GB will be the entry-level option, along with a hefty 256GB of storage. So, the most affordable Galaxy S25 will pack 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, a huge leap from the previous flagships that started at 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. While it's not 100% confirmed that the base model will have 256GB storage, it seems pretty likely. Samsung hasn't shipped a flagship with just 12GB RAM and 128GB storage in years, so it would be surprising if they went down that road now. This move is pretty similar to what Google did with its Pixel 9 series, which also bumped up RAM to support AI features. With all the new AI and generative tech we're seeing in phones today, more RAM is essential for smoother, faster performance. 12GB of RAM will definitely help improve Galaxy AI features and performance, making everything faster and more reliable. Plus, with mid-range Galaxy devices already packing 12GB of RAM, it makes sense for Samsung to make it the new standard across their entire flagship lineup. The big question now is whether Samsung will roll out the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally, or if it will stick with the Exynos 2500 in some regions. The Exynos 2500 looks solid and offers big performance boosts over the previous version, but it probably won't quite match the Snapdragon 8 Elite in raw power. It'll be interesting to see if Samsung keeps prices steady or raises them in exchange for these upgraded specs. So, what do you think about the new RAM and storage setups for the Galaxy S25? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.